Tips to consider while selecting floor tiles. Consider the location. Different rooms in your home may require different types of tiles. For example, tiles in the kitchen should be more durable and moisture resistant than those in the living room. Tile hardness. It computes the material's capacity to withstand wear and tear pedestrian activity. A tile that is resistant to scratching and staining are generally harder and more durable. Consider the color. Choose a color that complements your home decor and furniture. Darker tiles tend to show dirt and scratches more easily, while lighter tiles can make a small space look bigger. Consider the finish. Tiles can come in variety of finishes including glossy, matte and textured. Tiles can simulate the look and feel of materials like wood, marble and different types of natural stone using digital printing. Also consider how easy the tiles will be to clean and maintain. Glazed tiles are usually easy to clean than unglazed tiles. Consider the size of the tiles. Larger tiles can make a space look bigger, while smaller tiles can be more practical for intricate patterns. Consider the cost. Tile can range in the price significantly, so be sure to choose a product that fits your budget. And make sure to measure the area where the tiles will be installed and calculate the number of tiles you will need to avoid running out or having too many leftovers. And for more such videos, follow f.y.i.